Alright, this is how to make quick, easy salsa restaurant style. So what you're going to need is maybe half an onion chopped roughly, some lemon, this is half a lemon, or you can use lime. This is a clove of garlic, a fourth of a cup of cilantro, and half of a jalapeno. And if you want it hot, you can leave all those in there, but I'm going to use these gloves and take out the seeds and that little white part to make it not as hot. You can adjust it later if you want to. You're also going to need some rotel tomatoes, 1 can. I'm going to use a blender, but you can use a food processor. Add your tomatoes into the blender, the cilantro, the garlic, the clove of garlic, chopped onions. This is, well, about a fourth of an onion because the onion is really large. See, I can't make a larger batch because this blender's really not that big. And last, I add the jalapeno. Oh yes, and add some squeezed lemon or lime and about 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Put the lid on top and blend it up. If you want bigger chunks of onion, then you can always change the order in which you mix or blend the ingredients. I'm putting it over a leftover flauta, but you can put it over whatever you like. Tastes great with chips. Thanks for watching.